Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Welcome to another video here on my channel. Today it is Tuesday, August the 11th of 2026, and I thought it'd be a good idea to do a Stockpile tour, an updated Stockpile tour. I recently reorganized, revamped the Stockpile, and I'm so excited with how it turned out. I wanted to give you guys some ideas for organization. And honestly, just for entertainment, it's fun. I enjoy watching people's Stockpile tours. It's motivating. Like, if I need to come in here and really organize and clean the Stockpile and, like, put stuff away, I enjoy putting on somebody's Stockpile tour. I don't know, just kind of it's motivating. So I thought you guys would like to see this. I know I've gotten comments before, people saying that, oh, I love your Stockpile tours. So yeah, that's what we're going to do in this video. It's going to be a lot of fun. So I first want to give you my backstory. This actually is for 7 people on an everyday basis. So I've been couponing since 2014. So crazy, 12 years I've been couponing. I'm only 26. So a large portion of my life has been couponing and I love it. But I support 7 people on a regular basis. So I know it's a lot of stuff, but this is for 7 people. So my grandmas, my grandpa, also my parents, my great uncle who's disabled, he can get out of the store and shop, so he gets stuff as well, and then myself and my parents. So I mean 7 people, and I donate things. I give to extended family as well. My aunt and uncle have a business, so I have, given stuff to them for like their office and things like that. So I mean, this goes for a lot of places, a lot of people. So I have a lot of stuff, but it really honestly goes. Like, you can look back on these Stockpile tours and see the differences and things changing and things like that. So yeah, but I am not a hoarder or anything like that. I just, couponing, how it works is you stock up when something is free or super cheap. You stock up on it to last you for a while so you don't get stuck paying full price later, and it pays off. It really does. I can't tell you how many times, like, guys, the pandemic, when everything was shut down and no one could find toilet paper and all of that, like, that was the testament of just how great stockpiling is, because we didn't have to worry about running out and getting the stuff, because honestly, a lot of people couldn't find these things. Like, you couldn't find Lysol wipes. You couldn't find, a lot of cleaning supplies. It was that intense. And so the fact that we had the Stockpile and we saved all this money on it, it's awesome. So I'm excited. I'm going to show you guys the updated Stockpile tour. So we'll go ahead and start over here with the paper products. So I have a good supply of toilet paper and paper towels. Perfect. I got a lot of these on clearance at Family Dollar. They were doing a remodel and they were like marking them down really cheap, so I stocked up on those. And I really like this. I have this like divider thing that we had already that I was like, let's repurpose this. Since it's like a shared little section of our laundry room. So this kind of like divides it off and I can just stack the paper products up against it. So really like that. So a lot of toilet paper and paper towels. And then over here, I actually got these, and this is perfect timing to look for them with the back to school season. You might find these now, actually. They're locker dividers. So these are locker dividers, and it works perfect for the Stockpile. So if you have tall shelves, so like this, is a big space. And if you don't have something to stack up, then it's a lot of wasted space. So with the locker dividers, I'm able to have double the shelving. So like down here, this is body wash. So all this is body wash. Got a lot of body wash right now. Like I said, it'll get used up. And then soap. We go through so much hand soap. And like I said, my aunt and uncle's business, soap is something I'll give them a lot of times. So that'll definitely get used up. And then in this, you're going to see a lot of Longer Burger baskets. I live in the area where Longer Burger baskets were manufactured. Like, I live in that county. So there's a lot of Longer Burger stuff in this area at thrift stores, garage sales, things like that for like insanely cheap. A lot of these I literally paid like $1 or $2 for. I'm not even kidding. So I use those in the Stockpile. I've really gotten into grabbing them when I can get them for dirt cheap, and they come in handy for the Stockpile. So like in this basket, I got all of the like Christmas and seasonal ones, and it helps organize stuff too, which I really like. And then here I have hand sanitizer and more soap back there. So we're really good on soap. Also trash bags, got quite a few trash bags. I ran into a closing liquidation sale at Save A Lot in my area. Then ended up putting these for half off, so I stocked up on those. I got some trash bags at the local bin store for a really good deal, so I have those. Yeah, lots of trash bags, which is great. Like, I am not even used to getting that many deals on trash bags. Normally we just bought them at Sam's Club because it was the best I could do. But like, yeah, so when you can get them for way cheaper than that, you do it. Here we got more bags. We have like freezer bags. I got these for really cheap at the bin store. Also got some Ziplocs up here. And then what else do we got? We got plastic wrap. We got some Lysol wipes. And again, I'm kind of low on those. I haven't bought Lysol wipes since like last year. So I stocked up when they were crazy cheap and we haven't had to buy them. So awesome. So I'll be looking for more deals for that. We got a lot of disinfecting spray. I like these Lazy Susan like tray things. I get these on clearance like at Dollar General and Family Dollar, and it really comes in handy too. So as you can see here, you can just spin it around and it's perfect. Really like that. All right, down here, we got some hair products. So men's shampoo and conditioner. Here we have men's deodorant. So got a lot of that. Here we have hair stylers. So quite a few hairspray and mousse. But again, we go through a lot of that. So we got that. It's good. Here we have women's deodorant. And we have more of the Lazy Susan things. So this is, I try to have this organized so my grandparents can easily find things because they do live with us. My grandma and grandpa do. So I try to have like their stuff kind of separate for them to find. So like this is the shampoo that my grandma uses. So I'm going to put all of her shampoos here on the Lazy Susan. And then this is the kinds that my mom tends to use. So the men kind of just grab whatever. So that doesn't matter to be organized, but have theirs organized. Here we got razors, shave cream, and a couple of shampoos that didn't fit on this. So we got that. Another good Longaberger basket find here that really helps with organization. Here we got some toothbrushes, electric ones and like just regular ones. We got floss here. We also have some denture tabs. You're gonna see a lot of CVS brand stuff, by the way. My grandparents' insurance, they get like an OTC benefit. It can only be used at CVS, sadly. So we have to go to CVS. But that's why there's a lot of CVS brand stuff that we get that maybe I have a harder time couponing on those things. So we use that, or they use that OTC benefit and get stuff that we don't necessarily get couponing very much. So that's why there's some CVS brand stuff in here. This is all toothpaste. What kind of couponer would I be without a lot of toothpaste? Honestly, I've had even more than this. But that's definitely good. That's a good amount. Here we got mouthwash. And then I have a basket just for my grandparents, like skincare stuff that they use regularly. So Noxema, this cleaning clear stuff they use. And my grandma likes these face wipes. So I just kind of have their stuff in its own little basket so they can just easily find it on the things they use the most often. And then more of the Lazy Susans, I have like skincare products. And over here, I have like lotion and sunscreen, stuff like that. So pretty good. And down here, we got tissues and gloves. A lot of this is bin store. I got these at the local bin store for $1, like $1 or $1.10. Is that what I paid for them? For 500 gloves. That was incredible. So on this one, we have wipes, so baby wipes and stuff like that. We got, and this one's kind of just like random things. Some baby wash that I got on clearance. Some like Gold Bond powder, little sanitizers. This is just like a whatever bin, honestly. We got some feminine products. And then down here, we got some trial size like Clorox wipes and stuff. And then these are also Longaberger baskets. These are the big laundry ones, which I was so excited. My grandma had one of these and she suggested using it for the Stockpile and works really good. But then I went to a garage sale and found another Longaberger laundry basket, and these hold so much. So I have this one to have like plates and cups and all that stuff because I can get these really cheap at the bin stores in my area. So have a lot of those. And then here is all napkins that I got for like 90% off clearance usually. So really good. Up here, just some random stuff. We got some like Mr. Clean and some like sponges, things like that. And these are all cat toys and then car air fresheners here. So there's that. Up here, we got some dish stuff. So we have Dawn. This is actually on sale on my eBay shop. So yeah, this is something I'm trying to flip because it's like rare, but that's just here for now. More dish soap. More dish soap. More dish soap. We got a lot of dish soap in the stockpile. Here we got the like dish pods. So Finish, Molly Suds. Got a lot of dish pods, which is great. We got some cleaners here. So like Windex, Clorox. All this is like toilet bowl cleaner. We got a lot of that. Some bathroom cleaners. Down here we got more cleaning supplies. Baking soda. I cleared out a bunch of baking soda recently. I had way more than that. So yeah, that's what we got. And then down here, we got some candles. So that'll be good, especially for Christmas time. All right, and then we got this shelf with laundry stuff, which is my favorite thing to stockpile for sure because we do a lot of laundry. So, and this stuff has gotten so expensive with inflation and everything. They have raised the prices so much. This is just awesome to get deals. So I use the locker organizers again. I actually found those at the bin store for really cheap. The bin store, if you're like, what is the bin store? We have this store here called Bin Mania, and they have their different names, but a lot of places have them. And basically they get like pallets and they put the stuff in bins and you dig through the bins and find stuff and it's a certain price. So like I usually go when it's $2 or $1. So yeah, really works out good. So that's where I got all of these, but you might find them now at other stores too, since it's school time. But I got 4 more of those. And so I do it here with the laundry detergent, the liquid ones here. On the bottom, we got several of those, and there's more down here. So I got a fair amount of detergent for sure, but we use it really quick. Here we got the scent boosters. So we got quite a few of those right now, which is good. Then we got some like laundry sheets and like pods. So we have like the Tide pods and stuff. So nice. Already showed you the detergent down here. And then down here we got fabric softener. So we got quite a few fabric softeners, some fabric refreshers. And in this box, we got some dryer sheets, which is good. And then another one of the lazy season things, we got some air freshener sprays. And then we also got here the Glade, like small spaces, Febreze bathroom. And then here we got some like air fresheners and more air fresheners. And then in this basket, we have some foil pans and then some more of the plugins. I cleared out a bunch of those recently. So that was really good. All right, guys, that's a wrap on this couponing stockpile tour. I think it looks awesome. I'm so happy with how it turned out on this last round of organizing it. Easy to find stuff, and we're very stocked. I'm very happy with being stocked on a lot of things right now. So yeah, guys, so I got with this video. Hope you all enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.